Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can build a website using Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, Shopify is an online app and an online service which you can subscribe to, and once you subscribe, you can go ahead and start making your online storefront. And it is basically a website builder and a product and order manager in one, and it does have a lot of good features that will enable you to much more easily create an online store and then later on scale it and have your operation running very smoothly. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and log out of my account, and I'm going to create a new store within this account. So once we log out, it's going to take us to the Shopify page. And once you're here, you're going to click on Start Free Trial. Once you're here, it's going to take you here. You can sign up with an email, which you will later need to verify for all of these methods. But you can sign in via email, via Google, via Apple, or via Facebook. And you can do whichever one of these you want. I'll click on Google and I'll sign in through the account I was on previously. So once you do that, then you're going to go ahead and go through this section right here. It's going to ask you a couple of questions on how, which will then automatically create some things on your site and on your storefront, which will then enable you to more easily control everything. But yeah, I'll just select online store, click next. I'm just starting, click next, and products I buy or make myself, and then get started. And then that's going to boot you to this screen where you can select a plan, or you can just click decide later, and that's going to take you immediately to your dashboard. And from here on, you can do a couple of different things. You can go over the setup guide, which will explain to you how you need to set everything up. You can go into your online store, into themes, and then click customize next to the theme that you want. You can go ahead and use the default Dawn theme if you want, or you can select one of the multiple free ones if that is your wish. You can also pay for certain themes if you want. I'm pretty sure it is included in your premium plan if you do subscribe to one. You can then go ahead and make orders, make products, or add your products here, add customers if you have any customers from a different storefront. You have content over here, you have analytics, which will help you see how your site or your store is doing. And then you can go over into marketing to set up a marketing campaign or automate something, and into discounts if you want to add any discounts to your store. But that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.